Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is Henry. This is a HVR 200A. It's got the high-low switch. Brace yourself. You can see there's flashing lights coming on. So there's something happening there. It's not working right. So what I'm going to do today is bypass this high-low switch and the circuit board in here for this light here. It's just a neon indicator. And that was supplied by Henry Bags. That might help you if you're so inclined. You can get these on other websites as well, but this is where I got them. They were pretty reasonably priced. I think I bought 3 of them for 14 quid, some number like that. And postage is free, which is what I like. So let's get into it. Remove this piece. Remove this piece. Set them aside. And then in here, I've been in here before, I've broken this already. Snap this off, just pull it, snap it off. What I want to do is get in here. So this is what I want to be at. I want to disconnect all of this, get rid of it. Need something pokey to poke these little tabs in. And lever this guy out. Gone. Then I need to get in here. This board is in here. Pull it down. Disconnect all of these actually. We don't want any of these. The board's got to go back in. It just slots into place. And on some Henrys, the ones that don't have the high-low, there's just a little piece of plastic in there. Oh, just check one last thing while I'm in here. That fluff filter thing has gone back correctly. Slot that all back together, that's good. Maybe if I pull this out, it'll give us some more space to see. So we've got 2 cables coming down from the top here, and we want them to go into that switch. Then we've got this long chain here, which we'll have to demolish. So we want them coming down from this ring here, live and neutral, going to the center of the switch. Then the live one, keep it brown, and go over like that. And then we just need a neutral, but we also need one of these double up spade connectors somehow. So I might have to use a connector. What I would like to do is have the live going over to the neon, like that, and have a neutral going to the neon from here as well. But I need some kind of a jumper to get me from there to there. Now if this one is wedged in behind here, I just want to do this temporarily to see if it works, and then if it works, we're away. So I'll wedge that in there. Let's try it. So I've plugged it out, that wiring arrangement works. I just need to connect up blue and white together to get that neon to illuminate and chop off this tail end of the brown cable there. So we've got plenty of scope on this white one to cut it and put it back together again. That's just what we're going to do. It's disconnected from the mains again. Get my cable strippers. These are electrical strip connectors. They come in a big pack like this, and you just cut off as many as you need. And then the last job is just to snip this cable. I'm not going to worry about the live end there because that brass is just as live as that. So you can see this is interfering with it going on. This won't push down properly because this cable's in the way here. So let's just pull that out of the way. It should snap down. I need to tidy up my cabling a little bit, so let's push this white one in out of the way. There we go. It should go back on properly this time. There we go, that's it. And that snaps on even though it's a bit cracked. Right, let's build it up again. Carousel, line up the cable with the slot, drop the carousel in. Take this little piece here, bring it over here, drop the top down, cover, slot that in, and this should wiggle shut, get the screws all back in. So because this high-low switch seemed to be toggling on and off and the neon was coming on in it, I think this still works. So I'll keep this just in case. Let's get a filter in here for Henry. Top back on. And he's good to go. One last test. So power's on, lights on. So that's it. Henry bags. That might work, might not. They might turn it off as soon as a few of these come in. Who knows? Might be useful though. 10% off cheap is even cheaper. Questions or comments, leave them below. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.